the figure shows all the surfaces are frictionless and mass of the block small m is equal to 1 kg. The block and wedges are held initially at rest. Now, wedge is given a horizontal acceleration of 10 meter per second square by applying a force on the wedge so that the block does not slip on the wedge. Then, work done by the normal force in ground frame on the block in √3 seconds is. Solution for this question. In the question, diagram is given. On this inclined plane, a body of mass m is also placed. When an acceleration a is given, a is equal to 10 meter per second square acceleration is given. Under the action of this acceleration, the mass and weight system is at rest. Here, weight of the body is acting vertically downwards. Normal reaction is acting normal to the inclined plane. Now, normal reaction and weight of the block mg are not acting along the same straight line, so that normal reaction can be resolved into components with respect to mg. That is, along mg, n cos theta, perpendicular to mg, n sin theta. So this block is at rest. It means it experiences opposite force ma. N sin theta is equal to ma. Let us assume that equation 1. N cos theta is equal to mg. Let us assume that equation 2. 1 divided by 2 implies tan theta is equal to a by g. A is given in the question, that is 10. G also we can take it as 10. So tan theta is equal to 1, that is, or therefore theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now, from 1, n is equal to ma divided by sin theta. That is equal to, m is given 1 kg in the question, a is given 10 meters per second square, sin 45. We know that sin 45 is equal to 1 by √2. So therefore, n is equal to 10 √2 newtons, n value. And displacement from s is equal to ut plus half at square, we can write it as half gt square or half at square. A and g both are same here. So half into 10 into t is given √3 in the question. So t square is nothing but √3 whole square. √3 whole square is equal to 3. So 2 1s are 2 5s are cancel, and s is equal to 5 into √3 whole square is 3. So therefore 15 meters. Displacement s is equal to 15 meters. Now work done by the normal force. Normal reaction. W is equal to n bar dot s bar, that is equal to n s cos theta, where theta is equal to 45 degrees, and n is equal to 10 √2 into s is equal to 15 meters into cos 45 degrees. So that is equal to 10 √2 into 15 into 1 by √2. √2 cancel. So 10 into 15, that is equal to 150 joules.